Hi guys, welcome to my vlog channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to bake a lot of nana bread. This guy. So if you're really into eating dessert, I always suggest you just follow me and try sometime. You ready? Let's get down there. So for wet ingredients, you need 3 or 2.5 at least the bananas, and you need to smash the whole things using the back of the fork, just like that. And then you need 125 grams of melted butter. And just crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And whisk them as much as you can. And just drop 1 tablespoon of milk in there. So we've prepared for wet ingredients so far, and now we're gonna mix them all together gently and evenly. Next step for dry ingredients. We need 0.9 cups of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder.
Oh, this is Jack and back on the scene.
And you need 2 cups of plain flour. Just put in there. And a half tablespoon of baking soda.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere.
And also the same amount of baking powder.
And all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance.
We need a half teaspoon of salt as well. Guys, we are almost there. We're gonna drop more than a half of chocolate chip down there.
Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Alrighty, we're gonna mix them all together using spatula. Here we go. all the off down there. And just put the loaf pan in the oven. And you know what? I really preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. I think it looks well baked. We are done. Just put it here for about 15 minutes. And you know what? One thing I missed is I didn't spread oil on a loaf pan. So now I'm sad. So now I'm gonna cover the cutty bread with plastic wrap to store them in my freezers for a long time. Alright, we are done. If you enjoyed my video, just give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers.